In this video, we're going to teach you how to add events or homework to your Google Calendar. So your first step is going to be to go to isd271.org. And once you're here, you're going to enter in your Google username and password. Oh, and if your password's wrong, try it again. So this is called your Bloomington Apps account, and the reason why it's called Bloomington Apps is because it shows you all the different apps you can access. We're going to be accessing our calendar, so if you click on your calendar, along this side here are all of your calendars that you have. Since you have many different calendars, you always want to make sure you choose the calendar you want, and then on this drop down arrow, go to display only this calendar. This allows you to, when you're putting in your events, you're sure that they're going just on that calendar and not on some of your other calendars. So to add an event, all you're going to do is click on the day that you want to add the event. Just simply click and type in the event or the homework. So let's say I'm adding a math study link. I can do math, and the homework is study link 1.2. So if I want there to be more information, I can just create that event. But if I wanted to add more information for students or parents, I can edit the event just by clicking on the event and clicking edit. And in this description box, I can add more information. So I could also say, please do 5 minutes of fact practice. So now they're doing the study link and 5 minutes of fact practice after. Save. And now when students access that or click on that on my website, they're going to see those directions. The next thing I want to show you how to do is how to create a repeating event. So if you would like your students to read 30 minutes every day, you're going to click and you're going to put in what you would like them to do, read 30 minutes. And we're going to go into edit the event. And we're going to create a repeating event. So we're going to repeat this on the days you want your students to read. We want them to read Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And this will just repeat on your calendar so that you don't have to go type this in every day. In the summer, when school ends, you can have the end date of this be June 7th or whatever the last day of school is. That way it doesn't go through the summer. So I'm going to click done. Now this is going to repeat. If I click save, that's going to repeat on my calendar all the way through the rest of the school year. This makes it nice so you don't have to enter it over and over and over again. I'm also going to show you if you want to add an attachment to an event. So I'm going to go into this read event, edit the event, and down here I can add an attachment. So let's say I want to add a reading record. I can go to add attachment, and it wants me to choose something to attach, so I'm going to upload, and I can drag from my desktop or select files from my computer. So I'm going to select files, and on my desktop I have a reading record. I'll click it, I'll open it, and upload it. So now attached to this event is a PDF of a reading record. Students will be able to click that event and then click on the attachment, and up will pop, hopefully, their reading record, which they can print from home. One more step with this is that we need to make sure that this is shared. Right now, if we click the share button, it says this is private to only me. So if students clicked on this, they would not be able to access it without a username and password. So the last little step would be to click the share button and change it from private to anyone with this link. Save and done. And now students would be able to access this. So I'm going to save this event, and it's asking, do I want to attach the reading record to all of the following events or just this event? I'm just going to attach it to all of the following so that students can access the reading record on any day. So now when we go into the read and we edit the event, we can see that attachment, and that's going to be there no matter which read the students click on. Lastly, I'm just going to show you if you wanted to add a field trip or something coming up, conferences, all you would do is click on the box again, and you could type in museum field trip. And that's just going to pop up as museum field trip, and then that will show up on your website. Your calendars are currently linked to your website, so anything you type on this calendar will show up on your website for parents to see.